Hi everyone, it's Adam here from GRIMME UK, and today we're at British Potato 2025. We're going to take you a bit of a tour around the stand, show the features we've got and what you can see at the show. So on the stand we've got the new GL660 planter with a new folding drawbar. What used to take an hour to go from road to field mode now only takes about 10 minutes. And this machine is up for an award at the British Potato Awards tonight, so hopefully we'll win that. We've got the new Veritron 470 XL. This is the first Veritron 470 with the 11-ton bunker, new multi-sep and also the new X11 cab. New multi-sep is 25% more powerful, so great for taking those stones, clods and any kind of muck out of the potatoes. Also on the stand we've got the new RH2460. This is the first 2460 that we've done with a presentation belt and a multi-sep. Also on the stand we've got the GBF box filler. This GBF box filler will automatically level the boxes, and you can also get weigh cells on it so you can fill the boxes to a specific weight if required. On the stand we've also got the Black Friday auction. Josh is just showing some people around that, so if you fancy a bargain you can bid from the 25th of December. Bids start from just £100 on some of the used machinery. So we've also got displays on the GRIMME part shop that's online, so if you ever want any spare parts you can now order them directly from us on our online shop. Also we've got a display on the Topper 600 combi starting from £34,000 500. This is great topper, also does automatic height, row control and ISOBUS connect. Released at Agritechnica last week was the new GRIMME platform, and if you want to learn more about that you can come and talk to Sean and he'll show you all about the new platform that we've got online to enhance your machine experience. For more information you can go to www.grimme.co.uk for any of the machines or products that you've seen here, or if you'd like to bid on the auction you can go to www.grimmeauctions.co.uk starting on the 25th of December.